Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change app color on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to change your app color on iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app, and here just go to general, go to software update, and you have to make sure that you are on iOS 26 or the latest version you have. And once I have updated, just go back and here keep a long press on any empty place on your home screen, and then tap on the edit option in the top left. Now select customize option from here. Now here you have to select the dark option to change your app's theme to dark. Then you can select this clear option to get water effect in your iPhone theme. Or you just have to select this tinted option to get the different effects or different colors here. So you can scroll this toggle or you can customize your app's colors from here. You can also choose different themes from this section. And once you have done, you can also select the light or the dark section from here. And this is the auto section. I'm going to select auto. And then you have to select the color which you want to. You can also change the app size from in this section, or but I'm going to select normal. So just go back, tap it in empty place. So in this way, you can easily change your app's color. So it might take loading a very first time, but once you have done or you have loaded all the home screen pages, you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.